And now that we've added our contact form, the very last thing we need to do is link the button on our home page banner to one of our pages or posts. And to do this, we first just need to visit the page or post we're wanting our button to link to. And for me, this is going to be my blog post called How to Build a WordPress Website. Once we visit the page or post we're wanting to link to, we just need to right-click and copy the post's URL, and then click Customize at the top to open up our theme options. Then on the left-hand side, if we click Header Area and then Header Text, we can paste our URL into the box labelled Button URL, and then click Save and Publish at the top to save our changes. Now if we click the X in the top left to go back to our site, we can just double check that our button's working. So when I click this button, it should bring me to my blog post called How to Build a WordPress Website. And it does.